Hi guys, welcome to Doctor's Lab. Today we're gonna learn about reptiles and amphibians. So first, this is the amphibian called the red-eyed tree frog. Red-eyed tree frog is my favorite frog in the world. Then next here we got the bearded dragon. Wait, there's three. There's a lot of them. There's three types of bearded dragons. Then we're at Petco to learn. So please subscribe. If you wanna watch what I do, please subscribe to my channel about science. Next here we got the leopard gecko. Leopard gecko is the geckos on my Picturepedia. And this is more of them. Then this is a snake. They have snakes move, and unlike legless lizards, snakes have long tails. If you know, and they don't have ears, but their tongue is like this. Their tongue does this. Then there is the California king snake, the one in our home state. Then that's a ball python.
What's it doing right now?
And then there's more bearded dragons here. Then
What did it do?
there's gonna be bearded dragons eat mealworms and crickets. Bearded dragons eat crickets and mealworms.
How about the snake?
What
do the snakes eat?
they're gonna be their prey. They eat rats and the snake's predators are tarantulas. But also lizards, also small birds. And then there's colubird, a snake right there. Does it move? And then here, that's a Nelson albino milk snake. Then that's the bearded dragons. So let's go to the other side. Then right here, there's redfoot tortoise. They are amphibians, and they look alike as turtle. Next here we got the assorted arrow frog. They are amphibians. They eat, and they're very poisonous. Then next over here we got the pack frog, and their prey is insects. And then next here we got the black and white Argentine emu. They know how to sleep every time.
But what is it doing right now?
It's sleeping, and they know how to sleep every time.
It's buried underneath the bark.
They can be buried underneath barks. Next here we got Australian white street frog. Next here we got the day gecko. then next here we got rested gecko. Next here it went to a loving home. It was the tomato frog. Then right here that's the wild chameleon. Next here is the panther one. The panther one is this one. Then let's go to the these are called they're called water tortoise. It's the Mississippi map turtle, like on my Picturepedia. They have it. Hey, and then what's this thing for? This is the floating log for them to rest. They rest every time and they also take naps in it. And they also come out here. That thing is where they come out. Then there's tools on their half long over there. It's thick. Then this is their place where they come out. Okay, like it's and then there's one right there,
Good stuff.
but its head is inside. They know how to hide in their shells. Okay, like and subscribe to Dash Slab. So bye.